Hi everyone, Paul Morbid and Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. This is a single 8mm cartridge, for those of you who don't know. And it goes into a single 8 movie camera, okay? Such as this Fujica single 8 Z2. Yep, that is correct. This is my backup. So, this has been out of, the film cartridge has been out of production for about a decade at least, okay? The camera and cartridge are really more intelligent, superior to single 8. So why has it been discontinued? Well, that's a good question. However, a lot of filmmakers, such as myself, want to bring it back. And we're still using it. And using some of the original Fujichrome film to go on our cameras, and some of us have made the cartridges. And special thanks to Jenny List, the designer has designed a new set of cartridges for single 8 film, okay? Rather than Super 8 film. What you do is you take the cartridge that has been designed and you put Super 8 film inside of it via a change bag, okay? So on Jenny List, what you can do is you can download the files and have it 3D printed. But first, let's take a closer look at the cartridge. Okay, so here's the front of the cartridge. Here's the part where the film goes in. You can see how it travels. And here's the bottom. Okay, so essentially what you do is you open up the camera door, and inside is the film compartment. I'll try to make this as easy as possible. The camera system on a single 8 is more intelligent because mostly of the, not only the functions, but of the pressure plate that is mounted into the camera. And we'll just leave it at that. The cartridge just drops in just like so. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and then you close it up. Now when this is made, it's best to have it made out of a resin. Everything has to be made by the specifications in the files, and I explain to you why. If anything here is not made to the specifications concerning the cartridge, the door will not close properly. Okay, so you have to make sure the door closes properly. Everything has to be, again, made specific to the files. So as you can see, the sides of it and all the way around there, it has to be either gray or black. So what I've done is I've had one prototype printed, and it didn't come out very well. You can see in the photo that you can see light all the way through the floor. So when these are printed, of course, we filmmakers know that no light can be able to penetrate the cartridge, because the film inside will instantly be exposed and worthless, and that will cost, you know, a lot of money and just in processing fees for exposed film, which is totally pointless. It is also suggested by Jenny's List that, and I must agree, that the outside of the 3D printed cartridge be spray painted flat black. And this is to ensure that no extra light gets inside. And this is not only a labor of love, but it's an experimental project as well. And we'll see how it goes. And not to use any type of, which is also suggested, any film that you love, and used, you know, some old Super 8 film, load it in there, and do some testing before you put any film that's valued inside of here. This is the first prototype of 3D printer printed for me. As you can see, it failed, as a resin needs to be used. You can see light shining through it all the way down to the floor. So I'm going to keep going on with this and see where I get. Alright, do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.